A couple of weeks ago was the 4-year anniversary of me moving to Manchester. And this week it is the 3-year anniversary of me becoming a self-employed photographer. Now the last 3 years I've been pretty much mostly in lockdown. Thankfully we're past that, and thankfully we're able to network again and get out and meet each other again, and hopefully it's helping a lot of other freelancers and self-employed and independent businesses recover and get back on their feet. But it kind of made me realise I've been a bit complacent over that time. I've not really been doing as much as I should do, going out, meeting new people, developing the business, developing myself. So I've made the choice to move on from lockdown and get out there a bit more, take some more risks to develop myself and grow the business. So that means on the 1st of March, I will be taking on my first little studio unit in Pollard Yard. Some of you will know it because there's quite a few freelancers there already, and there are little containers that have been converted. So it gives me enough room to get out of my spare bedroom and meet people in a little studio, do headshots together, do some portraits together, and also get into town a lot quicker and easier than I do coming from home. So throughout March, to help me do this, I'm going to be doing promotion on headshots, which I will talk about more tomorrow. I'm going to do an open day, hopefully I think on the 3rd or 4th of March, whatever the Friday is, where you guys can come down and see the studio, maybe have a few drinks, you never know, we'll see what happens. But that's it. It's time for a new start in a new place, and hopefully some new challenges and experiences.